Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 4. Today we are exploring numbers and math. Python makes working with numbers simple and powerful. Python supports all the standard arithmetic operators. In addition to basic math, Python has floor division and exponent operators. The modulo operator returns the remainder. Let us create arithmetic.py using NVIM. We assign two numbers using tuple unpacking. Division always returns a float, while floor division returns an integer. Modulo gives us the remainder, and double asterisk raises to a power. Assignment operators like plus equals modify a variable in place. Each result matches what we expected from the operators. Python includes a built-in math module. It provides functions like square root, ceiling, and floor. The module also includes constants like pi and e. Let us create math_module.py. First, we import the math module. Square root returns a float value. Ceiling rounds up, and floor rounds down to the nearest integer. Math.py and math.e give us mathematical constants. The power function works like the double asterisk operator. All the math functions return their results as expected. Python has many built-in number functions. Functions like min, max, and sum work on collections. You can convert between types using int and float. Let us create built-ins.py for built-in functions. Abs returns the absolute value of a number. Round can take an optional decimal places argument. Min, max, and sum work on lists of numbers. Int converts a float by truncating the decimal part. Float converts an integer to a floating point number. These built-in functions handle the most common number operations. Let us recap numbers and math. Python supports 7 arithmetic operators, including floor division and exponent. The math module provides functions like square root and constants like pi. Built-in functions like min, max, and round simplify number tasks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore user input and output.